In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present PowerPoint slides in Zoom. Whether you're new to virtual presentations or just need a quick refresher, these steps will help you deliver your presentation smoothly and professionally. First things first, you're going to want to launch your PowerPoint application and open up the presentation you wish to share. Make sure to check your slides for any last-minute updates or changes, ensuring everything is perfect before you begin sharing. Next, you need to open your Zoom desktop app. If you haven't done so yet, download the app to your computer since this is the most reliable way to share your screen. Once the app is open, you're ready to proceed. You'll need to either create a new Zoom meeting or join an existing one. Click on the New Meeting button if you're the host, or find the specific link to join if someone else is hosting. Ensure your audio and video settings are properly configured for clear communication with your audience. With your Zoom meeting now started, take your attention to the bottom toolbar on the Zoom window. You're looking for the green Share Screen button, often highlighted for easy access. Give it a click. A window will pop up displaying all the available applications and screens that you can share. Find the window showing your PowerPoint presentation. That's the one you'll need to highlight. Once you have located and selected the PowerPoint window, click on the Share button located at the bottom right of that window. This action will broadcast your PowerPoint presentation to everyone in the Zoom meeting. Having started sharing your screen, it's time to take your PowerPoint into full presentation mode. So, head back to PowerPoint and start your slideshow. This makes your slides appear in the best possible resolution for your audience, minimizing any distractions on your desktop that could distract from your presentation. Now, if you want to engage your audience even further, consider using the Annotate tool within Zoom. This feature allows you to draw directly on your slides. You'll find the Annotate button at the top of your screen. It provides various options like text, arrow, and freehand drawing, which can be incredibly helpful to emphasize key points, making your presentation even more interactive. When your presentation is complete and all the points have been made, it's time to stop sharing your screen. Simply return to the top of your Zoom window where you'll see a red Stop Share button. Clicking it will end the screen share, bringing everyone back to the main Zoom interface. And there you have it, your PowerPoint slides shared seamlessly during a Zoom meeting. With just a bit of practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to focus on what really matters, delivering a compelling presentation.